The AI revolution is here. bNext was born to lead it. Since 2017, we've partnered with leading companies to turn real marketing and business challenges into measurable results with AI. Our consulting approach maps processes, identifies the right language models, and develops solutions tailored to each need. For JBS, we created an agent that suggests recipes based on available ingredients. For CMAD, we leveraged AI to expand access to health information. And for B3, we automated video production with avatars to optimize operations and introduced a real-time interactive avatar. We deliver more than technology. We provide strategy. We offer more than automation. We enable autonomy. We are bNext. The future of marketing already runs on our intelligence.